G'day viewers, well, I just got myself a 4 terabyte hard drive for this computer. I've backed up my 2 terabyte one, all that's all backed up on that one. And I'm backing up my main hard drive, my main 1 terabyte hard drive. That's one with all the games and everything on it. So it's all getting backed up on that hard drive. You have to partition these hard drives. Anything over 2 terabytes, you have to partition them so Windows will recognise it as a whole complete volume. Because Windows only supports up to 2 terabytes of hard drive space. So I've partitioned that into 2 separate 2 terabyte hard drives. One partition's got the backup on this one, other partition I come with backing up that one there. And I'm using TeamViewer for the program, so I can remotely access both these computers and make it more convenient. I can talk to this or the other computer, or either way, like a little network sort of thing. Got a shit mode. I call this brand shit mode because they are a crappy brand. But this is only I think it was 5 or so, I can't remember now, bucks off eBay. It's good for docking hard drives. Instead of buying external enclosures all the time, you just dock your hard drives in, your IDE, and you get 2 SATAs. A master and 2 slaves. It's even got a good card reader, which is perfect for this computer. Also picked up another monitor. No one else picked this one here out of the take it bin, so I decided to grab this one. Not Optima, Samsung, it's only a cheap nasty brand. Tested okay, 15 inch, this one's fine. Got a nice heavy duty VGA cord, which I've never had one this good before. I've only ever got some cheap ones, so it's good to have a good heavy duty high quality cord there. Audio in, must be audio out or something there. And D sub. It's obviously your VGA signal. Plug it in. And give it a test. I already know it works. Anyway, let's give it a test. Works okay. The socket's must be broken, I think. Oh, it's alright now. Turns on now. Never used to. Same OSD the CAT monitors of this make used. No audio plugged in. Here we are. I'll get the specs up just to show you as quick. Specs of this laptop. 8 gigabytes of RAM. 5.9 the rating is. 2.3 GHz. Core i7 3610QM. 64-bit operating system. Seems to work quite well. Okay, there we've got very good working monitors now. There you go, the bloody, there I got the socket must be damaged because I wobble it and it comes on. I don't plug it in all the way and it works. Yeah. I'll give it multimeter to check the cord of that power supply is not damaged. I'm pretty sure it's a socket in that monitor. Someone's probably put the wrong type of plug in there and they must have forced it and wiggled it to try and get it to fit, and the monitor cracked the connector off the circuit board. I'll have to pull it apart and check that if I confirm the power, determine that the power supply one's alright or not. The resolution's actually less squished up on there. That's what it looks like on this screen here. I was expecting it to look quite squished, but no, it looks quite. No, it actually looks quite good on that. This screen here looks all squished because it's an extra wide screen. Yeah, well, it's alright. 2003 this monitor was made, and there we are, we lost connection again. Not bad for free. It's only going to go in a bin anyway. 12 volt 2 amps. Made August 2003. Made in China. This is a perfect wall mountable one as well. It's nice and sleek design. Property of Investor Group Limited. I'll have to check this power supply, make sure that's okay. Get the multimeter out and do some checks. Let that update itself. Check the power supply, wiggle the wires around. It stayed constant 12 volts, so it's not the power supply. I was hoping it wasn't that, because I want that is a half decent power brick I'm going to use as a spare for this hard drive dock, because it's a 12 volt 5 amp power supply just like that one there is. This one's actually quite a cheap nasty one, but at least I can pull this one apart and fix it. That one there is just molded together, or sealed. Either way, I got a spare one. Good to have a good spare. Anyway, got three good monitors and a touchscreen monitor. Handy. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.